This is the Outlaw Michael Thompson coming from you live from the Outlaw Sports Bar and Grill, which is right behind me at 2660 Altamont Drive, right here in Klamath Falls, Oregon. And today we've decided to make kind of a game on Altamont here, because as many of you know, if you've been following Outlaw Sports Bar and Grill online on Facebook, that we've had construction here. So we are now judging cars driving by. See, I have a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. A number 1 is the best that you can get, a number 2 is medium, and a number 3 is the worst you can get. So the faster you go, the worse number you get. We're parked out here in our seats right in front of the Outlaw Sports Bar and Grill, and right now I don't have any cars coming out, but we've got some of our patrons and customers out here helping us out. We're just having a good old time. If you aren't coming down to the Outlaw Sports Bar and Grill, you just never know what kind of crazy stuff the Outlaw and Company might come up with. So, and the Co-Conspirator totally came up with this game. I was just
say now I'm Company.
Yeah, and Company. Yeah, and Company. The Co-Conspirator. See, look, here you go, guys. Well, here see, this car's just blazing to a speed down there.
Mike, you're not helping.
Blazing with speed down the road. And you can kind of see the craziness that's just going on.
Give him a number.
You know, here comes a truck. Here.